Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you sitting there dreaming of being your own boss? Do you have an idea bubbling inside you? A passion you want to turn into something more? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the powerful motivation you need to finally take that leap and start your own small business. Starting a business isn't easy, let's be real. It takes courage, hard work, and a whole lot of grit. But the rewards? Oh, the rewards can be life-changing. So if you've been on the fence, feeling that spark but needing a little push, get ready. We're about to ignite your entrepreneurial fire. The freedom factor. Imagine setting your own hours, making your own decisions, and truly owning your time. No more clocking in and out for someone else's dream. Passion into profit. Think about what truly excites you. What could you talk about for hours? What problem do you see in the world that you have a solution for? Turning your passion into a profitable venture isn't just about making money, it's about fulfillment. Making a real impact. Small businesses are the backbone of communities. You can create jobs, offer unique products or services, and contribute to your local economy. Personal growth and learning. Starting a business is a crash course in everything, from marketing and sales to finance and customer service. You'll learn skills you never thought you had. You'll overcome challenges you didn't see coming. You'll grow as an individual in ways you can't imagine. Building something meaningful. This is your creation, your legacy. You're building something from the ground up, something you can be proud of. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. It sounds great, but it's also scary. And you're right, it can be. But fear is often a sign that you're stepping outside your comfort zone. That's where growth happens. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner boss. The world needs your unique talents and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.